Hi families, I want to make sure that you know exactly what I need pictures of for this upcoming week, especially because our quarter ends on Friday, and so I need all photos by Friday at 3:30 when we get dismissed from school. So the first item I'm asking for a picture of is page 15 in your child's characters book, so our new book. It looks like this. The Venn diagram at the top should be completed, as well as this portion right here, this reflect piece. Your child does not need to do this right to sources. The next item I need pictures of is in their book, I'm asking for evidence of annotations. So annotations are when the students write things in the margin, underline the important details, things like that. So this is the sample I did in front of the class. I did this with them. So your child should not necessarily have exactly what I have written here, written in their book, but they should have their own questions, their own predictions, their own thoughts. So this is one example, and here's another example that I did with them this week. So I just want 3 to 5 pieces of evidence that they annotated. So a picture of one page would be a piece of evidence, as long as that page has questions or things written in the margins and key details underlined. So yeah, again, 3 to 5 pieces of evidence that your child annotated throughout the week. And then the final thing that I need a picture of this week is this chart that we're going to do on Friday. So the students are going to be brainstorming story ideas by thinking of times they experience strong emotions. So they will make this little chart right here inside of their reading writing notebook, and then they're going to jot down one or more memories of a time they were really excited, a time they were really sad, a time they were really mad, and a time they were really embarrassed. The idea being that next week we're going to select one of those for them to write a small moment story about. So those are the things I need pictures of. And then I just want to show you when I was grading for this first quarter, what I learned is it was really challenging to grade some students' work. And here is what you can do to help me out. So of course you are clicking on your child's name, and then you're looking at the files section to upload the new pictures. I've created file or a folder in every single child's tab saying Unit 1 ELA, assuming your child did not already have that. So what I need you to do is you're just going to create the new folder saying Unit 2 ELA, and all the new photos are going to go into that folder. Then within that folder, um, the easiest thing for me was when the pictures were just clearly labeled like this. So letter to a friend, making meaning, page 27. These type of labels make it really easy for me to look and know exactly what I'm looking at. It was my bad to ask you guys to label them like this. That made it a lot harder. So that was my fault. Go ahead and just label just exactly what the items are. So this week, the picture of page 15, evidence of annotations, and the narrative writing story brainstorm. Another option, instead of uploading them into your child's team or channel in Teams, would be to just send me the pictures through Dojo. The parents who did that, it was super easy for me to grade those, especially because the pictures were really clear. It made it really easy for me. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions.